Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn $60,000 in just over a year, just like me, part-time. Okay, this sounds unbelievable, but I'm going to show you with proof of my Warrior Plus account how I turned over $60,000 in just over a year, and that's part-time. So this method is perfect if you want to break into affiliate marketing. If you want to make money, if you want to throw away your full-time job and start working your own hours, this is great. Even if you've got no experience, I will show you exactly what you need to do to make serious money, be that full-time or part-time. Now I do this part-time for those of you that know me. I work full-time in a job and I do affiliate marketing on the side. Yeah, I turned over $60,000. You know, I make $2,000 a month part-time, that cost a couple of hours a week to do it, and I make a really good side income, and you can do it too. Okay, watch my video to the end where I'm going to show you exactly the software that you need, the little hack that I've got for you, and what you need to do, because spaces are limited on this. Okay, this is how you can make money every single day. This is a true passive income for life, forever. You can make as much money as you want, and it's free to start up, guys. You can start this up totally free. Now, before I show you this crazy way of making money, do me a favor, guys, subscribe to my channel, please. Just hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Why? That way you'll be the first to be notified of any of my offers. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you're up to date with my latest videos that I email out every day, and that way you get to see them first by hitting that bell. Now, the other thing I'm doing for you guys is some free training. So underneath each video, there's a little section here. It says get my free training. Click that link and I'll show you how I make money, $100 a day, easy, in affiliate marketing. And it's free. Free to sign up. I'm not asking for anything. Just watch it for free. So that's it, guys. Let's jump into this crazy method and I'll show you exactly how I turned over $60,000. Right, guys. So I made, or I turned over $60,000 on the Warrior Plus platform. And the website is warriorplus.com. Hopefully you've heard of it. If you haven't, it's a platform where people sell digital products in the make money online niche, and it's absolutely massive. Now, once you go there, sign up. It's free to sign up, and these are some of the top 10 products currently being sold, and these are all to do with make money. So I'm just going to jump straight into it. I've got obviously a vendor account on here. In fact, if we go to affiliates, there's a better way of doing it. So I am Bobby D Marketing. So this is all the products that I've released literally in 14 months. So Fiverrlicious, my best-selling product on making money with Fiverr. I sold over 2,000 copies of that, and if we just pop into that, that will take you to the sales page, you know, and I'm selling that for $9.97. Insta Audience, I just released that literally a week ago. I've done about 55 copies so far, and then $9.95. $20 days, although this shows 100, it doesn't update it only when it hits certain figures. I've done about 200 of them. Local video jackpot, 1,000. eBay Power Niche System, it says it's free, it's not, it's $9.95. I've done 100 of them. Listastic, $9.95, 100 of them. So as you can see, you know, that's 2, 3, I've done about 2, 3, 3,500, 4,000 of my own sales. And if we click my link there, you guys can do this. In fact, I've made 4,090 sales of my own product. That is me, Bobby D. I'm a top 25% vendor, a top 25% affiliate, and one of my products has been rated as #1. All right. So as you can see here, Insta Audience, $9.95. Local video jackpot, $67. Fiverrlicious, Listastic, 20-minute tactics, $20 days. You know, I've sold hundreds. Well, I've sold 4,090 copies of my programs. Now, these are programs that I've put together myself. Now, this might be putting you off, but don't. This is what this method is all about. It is super easy. And we're going to show you exactly what you need to do. So before I do that, let me just go to vendor dashboard again. I'm going to show you some statistics. So I'm just going to hit more. So I'm just going to click all time. This might take a second to come up. And this will show what I've earned so far. So this is in 14 months. $60,206.21. Okay, that is insane. My 5Alicious product, I'd sold over $30,000 worth of product. Local video jackpot 22. $20 days 1,400. 20-minute tactics 1,200. You know, there's some big figures there, guys. These are some domains that I sold. They're not all on there. So big figures, you know, 61,420, £61,040.21 part-time. For those of you that know me, I do this part-time. I work full-time. I'm a very busy job. I do this part-time just to make some extra money, you know, and I make sort of $1,500, $2,000 a month for doing 2 or 3 hours work a week. Once you get established in this business, it is great, and it's just a great part-time income I've got. You know, I'm very lucky that I've got this happening to me. So how have I done all this? Okay, a lot of it's been some hard slog, but some of it hasn't been, and this is why I'm going to show you what I've done. So when I first started doing this, let's just go back to affiliate, sorry, offers. When I first got started, I was quite lucky in that I brought out a program called Flippadom, all about selling domains, and Trevor Carr and Jonas Lundgren snapped it up, and we sold 1,800 copies. But after that, I started running out of ideas, and then I stumbled across Trevor Carr, who's a super affiliate. Trevor had a program out at the time called Pimper, and it was basically how to make products and publish them yourself. So I looked at this Pimper, I bought it, I watched it, and then I took action. And I brought out a product called $20 Days. Now, like I said, that shows 100. It's actually just over 200. And then using the Pimper method, I brought out, oh, one's missing, 20-minute tactics. Why is that then? I've actually got another program. That's weird. Why that's not showing up? Hang on, it'll be on here. Another program called 20-minute tactics. And as you can see, I sold 175 of them. I then brought out another program called Listastic, 153 of them. All off the Pimper method. Then Trevor Carr approached me with an even better method, and said, you know, what do you think of this? And this is what I'm going to take you over to now. Trevor Carr, super affiliate, is opening up his personal training that can literally change your life. And I mean it. It changed mine. Because of this training, I've got a very comfortable lifestyle. And if I can do it, guys, you can do it. I work 70 hours a week minimum, and I do this on the side, and I'm making $1,500, between $1,000 and $1,500 a month for a few hours a week. You know, life is good. Now, there are only 11 spaces left on this, and they're going to go fast. Now, Trevor normally charges $995 for this, but he's offering it to me to put out to you guys for $297. All right. Trevor is going to show you every single step that you need to make money. He is going to show you how to take a product, spin it, bring it out as your own, how to do the sales pages, publish it on Warrior Plus. Everything you need, Trevor is going to show you how to do it. And this can make you some serious money. If you're looking at getting started in affiliate marketing, there is 100% no better product than this. Why? Because Trevor is trustworthy, he's honest, and he cares about what he does. There are not many affiliate marketers out there like that. Most of them just want to make a quick buck. Trevor is totally different. He brought me from no one to where I am today, and for that I'm grateful. And now you're getting the opportunity to do it as well, guys. and you know that I don't promote any old rubbish, okay? This is a no-brainer. If you want to get started in affiliate marketing, you have to get this product more than any other product on the market. It's down from 1997 to 297. It's ridiculous. And I've told Trevor that it's ridiculous, but that's what he wants to do. Intrinsic will show you everything you need to know to release your own product, okay? It's so easy, okay? Is it newbie friendly? Everything. It's over the shoulder videos. I've gone through the training myself. It is brilliant. He will teach you how you can make things, how you can make digital products. You can use them as lead magnets, or you can bring them out on their own. He'll show you how to use creative templates. He'll show you how to use them as giveaways. He'll show you how to list them on Warrior Plus, how to do a sales page. There is nothing missed, okay? Nothing. Why have you reduced the price from 1997? Because he wants to. He wants to help people. And this is not going to last, guys. This is going to go super quick, all right? If you're going to buy one program, guys, honestly, if you want to make it in affiliate marketing, you've got to grab this. Just listen to what I'm saying to you. I grabbed it. It changed my life with Pimper. This is 1,000,000% better than Pimper. And if you grab it now, you know, in a couple of months' time, you'll be having your own products out on the internet. You know, 14 months ago, who would have ever thought I would have sold 4,000 of my own products? No one. I never would have even imagined it, but I have. And you can do it too. So this is Intrinsic, guys. Make sure you grab it. Look at my sales page. There's links on the sales page. If you just go down and click where it says grab your copy here, and one at the bottom, grab your copy here, and you will secure your place. There are only 11 places left, guys. Make sure you grab one. I'm real passionate about this. So I'm Bobby D, guys. I hope you enjoyed the training, and I'll speak to you soon.